Hello friends, I'm back with another exciting find, a free text-to-AI video generator called Domo AI. After signing up, you'll see several options including image to video, text to video, and video to video. For this test, I used the text to video feature. I tried a pre-made prompt. A chubby cat meets a porcupine. Here's the setup I used. Model V2.4. Advanced style, realistic aspect ratio, short format, duration, 5 seconds. Some advanced features are only available in the paid version, but I went ahead and clicked Generate. The results were super fast, and yes, meaningful and realistic. The video was also downloadable without heavy watermarks. The only drawback I noticed is that there's a watermark placed somewhat in the middle of the frame, making it harder to crop out. One more note, Domo AI gives you sign-up credits only, with no daily credits. But even so, it's definitely worth trying out. That's it for today. I'll be back soon with more AI tools to explore. Thanks for watching.